QuoteCam is a purpose-built solution. It's been designed to be the world's most advanced costing and estimating tool for machine parts. Engineering is like any other business. Before you can calculate your profits, you need to know what your costs are. And those profits are affected by machine costs, overhead burden, and obviously the cycle times involved. If you don't know the answer to these questions, then you don't know what your cost is. You simply are guessing, because it's only after you know your costs, including your work centers, labor, overheads, tooling, purchases and consumables, that you can calculate the profit. Using QuoteCam, you can get answers to all these questions. The system is incredibly easy to learn to use thanks to a fast drag and drop interface. It comes complete with calculators to help you establish the correct hourly rates you should be charging for your machine tools and work centers. Also included is an overhead burden calculator, a huge materials library complete with feeds and speeds and cutting information, extensive machining simulators from milling, turning, drilling, boring, tapping, even thread milling. And once you've established your costs based on the initial batch size, use the analyzer to calculate the changes in your cost and your selling prices affected by changing the batch size or material costs or any other aspect to do with the costing process. Finally, you can keep on track of all your customers and your active quotes using our built-in QTrack CRM system. A significant cost to any manufacturing cycle could also be purchases. QuoteCam allows the use of ordinary purchases such as tooling or gauges. The consumable purchase allows for items that you want linked to the batch size, for instance carbide inserts. Subcontractors for processes that we don't do in-house. And if you want something to appear as an individual item on the quote, we use the line items feature. The system also comes with a multi-level bill of materials, which contains thousands of standard parts, including nuts, bolts, washers, etc. The system will also allow you to store and create your own bill of material templates. The sales price analyzer is unique to QuoteCam and really puts you in the driver's seat when it comes to establishing your selling price and your profits. Using the analyzer, the system will show you how the part cost depreciates over the batch. You can see immediately where the break-even point is, how many components you need to produce before you start making money. And what happens if the batch size changes, and if you need to change the scrap quantity. The system will automatically recalculate costs and profits. Your income, profit and margins are all dynamically updated, not only in percentages, but in costs and dollars and cents. When it comes to breaking down a batch cost, the graphical display area shows you precisely how the cost is broken down into machining time, setting time, purchases and so forth. Once the costing's been done and the price has been settled, we can produce highly detailed costing reports showing every aspect of the manufacturing process in both cost and profit. The system will produce printing for routings and job cards for each individual operation, where the operators can actually put the actual times in as well as the estimated times. And ultimately the system will produce a professional looking quotation on your own letterhead with or without a table of indicative quantity pricing. The OQP table automatically shows your customers alternative pricing for various batch sizes that you may offer. Talking of customers, QuoteCam comes complete with QTrack, our job and quote tracking system. Here we can see exactly how many quotes we've got active at any one time, how many customers we've got in the system, what quotes we've got with that customer, and we can keep a track of all the quotes that we've won, lost, and are currently working on. Fully integrated with QuoteCam, you can create new opportunities on the fly with just one simple mouse click. And comprehensive reporting is built in as standard. QuoteCam is easy to use and easy to learn. It's got an extensive online help built in with tutorials to get you going. Also, we have live web-based teaching videos via the Learning Center. Please contact us for more information. Thank you.